Lisk is a Layer 2 blockchain platform built on the OP stack, designed to scale Ethereum while maintaining security and reducing transaction costs. By operating within the OP stack ecosystem, Lisk enhances Ethereum's capabilities, offering faster transactions and lower fees for users and developers. Lisk has launched a massive 15 million LSK token airdrop to reward users and grow its ecosystem. The goal is to expand the community and drive engagement with Lisk's dApps and blockchain solutions. The airdrop runs through Q1 2025 with a bi-weekly rewards system, meaning participants can earn rewards throughout the campaign instead of waiting until the end. To join the airdrop, users must meet at least 2 criteria: complete a CAPTCHA verification, have 30-plus Twitter followers, own a Discord account created before June 1st, 2024, have a GitHub account created before June 1st, 2024, possess a Gitcoin passport with a humanities score of 20+, or verify their account with Base. The process to participate is simple. Visit the official Lisk airdrop portal, connect an EVM-compatible wallet like MetaMask, add the Lisk mainnet, complete guild verification, and enter a referral code such as QOJWC if needed. Participants can earn points through regular tasks like engaging with Lisk dApps and interacting with the community, as well as through super tasks, which involve collaborations with platforms like Oku.trade and Ionic. Additionally, Lisk of Life NFT holders receive extra rewards and special token allocations. The rewards will be distributed in Q1 2025, with Supertask rewards being issued bi-weekly. Lisk ensures fairness and security through identity verification, Sybil-resistant task design, and manual activity reviews. Multiple wallets are not allowed, as the airdrop is designed for unique participants. This is a great opportunity to become part of Lisk's growing ecosystem